Introducing the Amcrest SmartHome wire-free battery security camera with SmartHub. This surveillance system comes with the Amcrest SmartHub and your choice of 1 or 2 battery cameras, and is expandable up to 6 battery cameras. This outdoor security camera is equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months on a single charge. 100% wire-free cameras let you position your cameras anywhere with ease. Experience stunning 1080p HD video resolution from anywhere in the world. This wireless security camera system features an extra-wide 110-degree view, allowing you to cover every angle. The battery security camera features a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio, allowing you to talk and listen to visitors. Receive motion detection alerts via email or push notifications from your smart home camera. And instantly review recorded footage directly from your smartphone using the Amcrest Smart Home app. Securely store your HD footage to the Amcrest Smart Home Cloud with an included free 1-year Smart Home Cloud subscription, or store directly to your Smart Hub using a local USB up to 2 terabytes. Enjoy basic live view compatibility with Amcrest View Pro. This Amcrest outdoor wireless security camera features a heavy-duty IP65 weatherproof housing to protect against rain and dust. The Wi-Fi IP camera's built-in IR LEDs can achieve night vision capability up to 16 feet, allowing you to see clear 1080p footage even in the dark. This Amcrest outdoor Wi-Fi security camera features an IEEE 802.11 BGN connection. The Smart Hub operates on a hardwired Ethernet connection directly to your router.
Never miss a second with Lorex wire-free HD home security. With 1080p high-definition resolution and 120 degrees of visual coverage, you can keep an eye on everything, day or night, thanks to the crystal clear night vision. Heat-sensing, motion-activated cameras only send alerts when necessary. Easily mountable, wire-free, and weatherproof, so you can determine the best angles to keep what matters to you safe. Customizable motion detection settings allow you to highlight areas of greater concern, and two-way audio allows you to be in the moment no matter where you are. Plus, all your video is stored in the included recorder. No monthly monitoring or cloud storage fees, so you can keep your costs down and your security up. Lorex wire-free HD security solutions last long without swapping batteries. When it comes time to change, the quick-release Power Pack makes it easy and painless. Our Power Pack Plus can provide up to 50% more battery life, and thanks to the USB adapter options, you can find the monitoring solution that fits your lifestyle.
Reolink Keen, the world's first 100% wire-free, pan and tilt, 1080p HD Wi-Fi security camera. No cords, no wires. You can place it anywhere you like. On the bookshelf, in your baby's room, at the door, in the kitchen, up on the wall shelf, or on the table. You can even tilt the camera to 105 degrees or pan 355 degrees. Just one camera. You get every corner covered. You can see the window, living room, stairs, dining room, or the front door. No matter where you are, traveling around or at work, you can always know what's going on in the house. With the PIR motion sensor, you get motion notifications instantly. You can even listen in and talk back. Dude, get off my property! Or take a look at your baby. See if he's having a sound sleep. Reolink Keen is always there, day or night, to watch your home. Reolink Keen, a 100% wire-free, full HD, pan and tilt, Wi-Fi security camera. Your truly hassle-free indoor smart camera.
Reolink Argus is the world's first 100% wire-free, full HD security camera, packed with the smartest PRI movement sensor. To know your home is safe and sound, just freely place it indoors or outdoors. The smart PIR sensor will watch movement, and the camera will send you alerts. And you will see and hear what's happening, and even talk back. Hi, place the package by the door. Thanks. Even if you are not home, you can remotely monitor your property or get clear live view. Check if your baby is having a sound sleep. Watch what your naughty pet is getting into. Enjoy the family happy moments. And see if there is a burglary while you're away. Installation is super simple. Put it on a shelf or other flat surfaces, mount it to the wall, or place it under the ceiling. No cords and no wiring hassles. No limit to placement options. It's portable and flexible so that you can place it anywhere, like in the kitchen, the living room, the baby's room, the front door, and the back door. You can move it anywhere, from room to room. If you prefer a rechargeable or solar-powered version, get Reolink Argus 2, 100% wire-free rechargeable battery camera.
Meet Qubo Smart Home Security Camera. This camera works on your behalf 24/7, securing what matters to you, your family, your home, your world. Mount this camera indoors or outdoors, or just place it on a table. No matter where you are, never miss an important moment. Know about unwelcome visitors and deal with them remotely. Protect your family from the COVID pandemic.
Could you please leave the package at the door?
Get to know when your baby cries. Mark zones that are important to you and be notified only about them. Bring all your spaces alive in crystal clear HD quality, day or night, rain or shine.